Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to build your Lego Ford Mustang. First, ensure you have the complete set of Lego bricks. It's helpful to sort your pieces by color and type before you begin. This organization saves time and makes finding specific parts much easier. Carefully review the instruction manual to understand the overall build process. Pay close attention to the initial steps as they form the foundation of your model. Now let's focus on the core structure. Begin by building the robust chassis, which serves as the foundation for your Mustang. This step is crucial for stability. Next, meticulously assemble the engine block, paying attention to the smaller, intricate components. Once the engine is complete, carefully integrate it into the chassis, ensuring all connections are firm. This stage brings the model to life, giving it its powerful heart. Moving on, it's time to give your Mustang its distinctive look. Start by attaching the exterior body panels, carefully shaping the car's iconic lines. Then, focus on the interior, installing the seats, dashboard, and steering wheel to create a realistic cockpit. Don't forget to add functional elements like opening doors and a hood, which enhance the playability and display value of your model. These details truly make the build special. For the grand finale, apply all the decorative elements and stickers to give your Lego Mustang its authentic finish. Double-check all connections to ensure every piece is firmly in place and perfectly aligned. Take a moment to admire your completed masterpiece. Remember to check the description below for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Display your Ford Mustang proudly, showcasing your building skills and attention to detail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.